Hello everyone. Once again we are going to check a new phylum, that is Phylum Platyhelminthes. So let's start recall zoology with G. Trupti. So see, today we are going to deal with the next phylum, that is Phylum Platyhelminthes. So before we start, I could say Platyhelminthes is the first triploblastic phylum. It is the first bilaterally symmetrical phylum. So what are the other features? Let's start here. What are Phylum Platyhelminthes is there? We could call them as flatworms. Why? Because dorsiventrally their body is flat. Okay, so let me start. So whatever Platyhelminthes are there, they are triploblastic. They are having bilateral symmetry. They are acoelomate and they have organ level of organization. Commonly we are calling them as flatworms, as just now I told, because their body is dorsiventrally flat. Most of them are endoparasitic in nature. Endoparasite in the sense they are staying in the body of some host, including human being also. Number of hosts they are having. As they want to stay in the body of host perfectly, they are having some specialized anchoring structure. Anchoring structure in the sense the structure by which they could hold perfectly to the body of host. Those structures are known as hooks and the suckers. So especially who are parasites, for them only you will be getting this hooks and sucker. So for that you could see this particular diagram of the Taenia solium, or you could call it as tapeworm. Here whatever topmost part is there known as scolex of this particular tapeworm have these sharp structures known as hook, and these are the structures known as suckers. So what are these structures are there? Hooks and suckers, they are helping for anchorage perfectly in the host body. Now coming to the next thing, as I told you, it is having organ level of organization. We have to check how it is carrying its physiological functions. So digestive system, definitely it is incomplete. Incomplete gut is there for Platyhelminthes. You could call it as blind sac also, because only one opening is there, that is mouth, and that is only acting as anus. Means from the same opening, intake of the food material, that is ingestion, and the removal of digestive waste occurs, that is ejection. So you could say it is having incomplete gut. Many of them are highly parasitic, so they will be absorbing the nutrients directly by using their body wall from the host body. There is no any specialized respiratory or the circulatory system present, but for doing excretion, means removal of the nitrogenous waste, there is a development of specialized cells seen. Those specialized cells are known as flame cells. Reproduction, they are bisexual, means hermaphrodite, means male and female are not separated from each other. So here sexual reproduction occurs, fertilization will be internal fertilization, and development anyhow is through various larval stages. So I could call it as indirect development. Last feature, which is very important feature for this Platyhelminthes, is planaria. Planaria is one class under this Platyhelminthes. The examples belonging to planaria, they are having high power of regeneration. Lastly, the two examples I could say, those two examples I have drawn here on the board. One is a tapeworm, which is Taenia solium, and look like a measuring tape also, so it is named as tapeworm, showing pseudo-metamerism on its body. And the second one example is liver fluke. It is known as Fasciola hepatica. Thank you everyone for supporting me and my channel. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and please write a comment in the comment box below. Thank you.